was a matter of fact. In fact, dati pa namin sinasabi at kahit ng mga committee hearings pa lang na talagang may credit notice, no, yung DepEd. Obviously, that's not something that was being highlighted even by the media. But yun ang fact, no, na I think it was August 9, 2024 when DepEd received its credit notice. So, at least na nalabas na ngayon in open court na yun talaga yung status. And that's also why I was asking the witness the other day when I was doing a cross kung alam ba niya yung status ng DepEd at kung alam niya anong ibig sabihin ng credit notice. But as the witness mentioned earlier, it's also a fact that a credit notice may be reopened, di ba? Meaning kahit na-settle na yung account, it may be reopened. So, tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari dito sa credit notice ito, because I noticed that emphasis was also being made on if a credit notice can be reopened. But sa amin ngayon, on the part of the defense, at least nailabas na talaga categorically na may credit notice ang DepEd for the first and second quarter ng paggamit ng confidential funds.
Just to laymanize it, what does it mean?
Ang credit notice simply means na after evaluation po ng Commission on Audit, ng liquidation report, ng mga submission at ng tugon sa AOM, is they allow in audit yung nangyaring paggamit ng confidential funds. Wala silang makitang issue dun sa paggamit ng confidential funds.